Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing the phone hotspot and the iPad for a smooth update. Ensure your hotspot device has at least 50% battery before starting the update. Confirm your mobile data plan can handle the download and verify you have at least 500 MB or more of data for the update download. Put the iPad on a stable surface and check that the iPad has 2 GB free storage and is backed up to iCloud. Close background apps and disable automatic downloads temporarily for stability. Now turn on Personal Hotspot on your phone and set a secure Wi-Fi password. Use WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and create a strong password of at least 8 characters. On the iPad, open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and select the hotspot network from the list. Confirm the iPad shows a connection and check that signal strength is 2 bars minimum. Run a quick speed test to test download speed and aim for at least 5 Mbps before starting the update. Begin the download from Settings, General, and Software Update while keeping the iPad plugged in. Download only when your iPad shows 50% battery or more and is charging to prevent interruptions. Monitor progress and avoid using heavy apps that consume data during the update. If the download stalls, toggle the hotspot off and on and reconnect the iPad to refresh the link. If installation repeatedly fails, consider moving to a wired or faster Wi-Fi network for reliability and retry the update process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.